I'm going to go ahead and mark those lines parallel. These lines are parallel, arrow, arrow. And 3 and 4 are parallel, double arrow, double arrow. So go ahead and just find a number somewhere on your diagram and start with that number. Like I could come over here and I could start with 52 if I wanted to. In a cluster of 4, when you know one number, you know all 4 numbers. So you can use your vertical angles and you can use linear pair. And really the more numbers, the more angles you find, the better off you're going to be. And it does help to write it on the picture, not just in the blanks below. So we have A so far. We have A is 128. Now I see some alternate interior angles, so I'm going to start to use that. 128, go to the alternate side here, 128. 52, alternate interior angles, 52. Now I have vertical angles, look at that. C is 52 right here. And remember what we talked about in class, if we have an isosceles triangle, the angles across from those tick marks are congruent. So we're across from those tick marks to 52, 52. We kind of already did that in class. So we're going to add up 52 plus 52, and we're going to subtract from 180, and we get that D is 76. Ooh, now I see some corresponding angles. We're going to try to get to the other side of the picture. So D is 76, and it's corresponding with G. Corresponding angles, so we're using our vocab. Now, you see those angle arcs. That means that those are congruent. So when I'm looking right here, I know I can take 180, I can subtract 76, and I can divide by 2 because those angles are congruent. We're going to end up with what we ended up in that triangle with, 52, 52. I'm going to kind of jump around if that's okay with you guys. 76 here is corresponding angles with right here. Those are corresponding, so I'm going to use that. Now we need to find the supplement of 76. And this one is 104. Now we can use alternate interior, 104, 104. Alternate interior angles. Cool. Now we can do, if we're trying to, now the problem is, be careful, because this line is not parallel to anything. So be careful. You can't use like corresponding angles and put the 104 there. No, because you have to only use your theorems with parallel lines. Don't use it on lines that are not parallel. So be careful with that purple one. Let's work with the 70 because we've kind of done everything we can with that 52. So I see an arc with a double tick mark, and I see another arc with a double tick mark. So that tells me that that angle is 70, and it was just given to us. I didn't use any theorems. That was just given. Now we can do alternate interior angles, 70, 70, with purple as our transversal. And then we can do linear pair, 110. Then we can do 70 here, vertical angles. And then to find N, you need to use a triangle. A triangle has 180 degrees. So 180 minus 70 minus 52, and N is 58. Everyone's following if you're watching, I hope. It's all making sense, I hope. The last one we need to find is P. And what students kind of forget to do sometimes is to look at bigger triangles. You don't have to solve it this way, but look at a bigger triangle for a minute. If you look at that triangle, you already know 2 of the angles, and you only need to find the third angle. So you could just add up 70 plus 70 and subtract from 180 to get 40 degrees right here. 40, 40. That's hard to see. P is 40. And that's parallel line diagram number 1.